Instructions of connecting screen protector, cutter and printer. Please scan below code to download the configuration file to your computer first. Download from Google Driver. Unzip the configuration file and double-click it to open it. When the service starts as shown in the image, please keep the service file always open when using the film cutter printing function. If the firewall system runs as shown in the image, please click Access. Go to Computer Desktop and click Smart Setting to enter the setting interface. Click Devices. Click Printer Time Standards Management. Click Print Preferences to change. Power on the film cutter. The computer and the film cutter shall be connected to the same network. Click Print Preferences. Get IP address automatically. Save. If the IP address cannot be obtained automatically, PLS manually input the computer IP address into the film cutter. Select the model you need, then click Print. Scan the QR code by mobile. Select the image you want, then click Upload. Adjust to the appropriate size, where you can add patterns and text to print. Lamination for the printed sheet. Click Start Cut to cut it out. Apply the back sticker to mobile phone. Done.